Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am very excited as I am going to witness the musical extravagance of Rajasthani folk culture. I am expecting it to be one of the most memorable musical nights of my life. Friends, we have reached. As you can hear the music behind me, you can guess what it is. It's the most beautiful song I have ever heard. Rajasthan, the royal state of India, is known for its rich cultural heritage. Folk dances play an important part, which are not only aesthetically pleasing but also narrate stories in a unique and captivating way. Rajasthani Ghumar is probably the most popular folk dance in India. This dance form was introduced by the Bhil tribe and later adopted by the royal communities of Rajasthan, including the Rajputs. It is performed by women at special events and festivals. The women wear traditional outfits, which is a ghagra. The beauty of this folk genre is in its graceful movements that involve swaying hands, beating palms and spinning around while singing the traditional songs. The coordinated movement among women and their whirling outfit, coupled with the upbeat rhythms and songs, leave the spectators mesmerized. Considered by UNESCO as intangible heritage, Kalbelia is performed by the women of the namesake tribe. Women deck up in traditional costume, which is angrakhi, a jacket-like garment, odhni and the black swirling ghagra, and dance to the music played by the men using traditional instruments such as dholak, khanjari and pungi. The dance movements are mostly serpent-like, hence it is also referred as snake charmer dance or sapera dance. Bhavai is Rajasthan's ritualistic dance, which is usually performed by women belonging to Kalbelia, Jat, Meena, Bhil or Kumhar tribal communities of the state. The dance involves women balancing 8 to 9 brass pitchers or earthen pots on their head as they dance and twirl with their feet on the perimeter of a brass plate or on the top of a glass. The dance is accompanied by male performers singing and playing instruments such as harmonium, sarangi and dholak. Because of its high level of difficulty and complexity, it takes years for the performer to master this dance form.
तो मामारी आरी से कराई आराम करनो था।
Originating in the Shekhawati region of Rajasthan, Kachhi Ghodi is one of the most popular folk genres that depict the stories of the local bandits of the region through dance and music. Traditionally, only men dressed in dhoti kurta and turban and riding on an elaborately decorated dummy horse perform this dance.
वायरस चीन सुआगो
अम्बे चीन सुआगो
और आछो चाल्यो रे कोरोना पूरा देश में छागो.
The rhythm of the dance is defined by the flute music and drum, and the dancers usually mock fights using sports to complement the rhythm. It is mostly performed during weddings or social events. Featuring attractive movements, traditional instruments, and colorful outfits, Gair is predominantly performed by the Bhil community, mainly on festivals such as Janmashtami and Holi. Both men and women dance together, dressed in traditional garbs. The men wear a full-length tunic-like skirt complete with a stick, sword and arrow in hand, while women wear ghagra choli. Colorfully dressed dancers circle one another, moving in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction and swinging their arms to the powerful drum beats. The men beat their sticks when they turn, which adds a dramatic touch to the dance. Chari is another ritualistic dance that primarily belongs to the Saini community of Ajmer and Gujars of Kishangarh. Enacted by women, it is usually performed at special occasions such as the birth of a male child, marriage, or festival. Symbolizes joy as well as representing the ritual of collecting water in Chari, which means pot. The women are attired in traditional outfit and dance while balancing brushed chari on their heads, along with a lighted lamp in it. The dance is accompanied by sound of dholak, harmonium and nagara.
और इसको नया नाम दिया गया है विद्यावालन. आपके गोरखपुर के एयरपोर्ट से उतरी है विद्यावालन जी. हमारी प्यारी प्यारी पब्लिक को जरा नमस्कार करो. नमस्कार नमस्कार नमस्कार. क्या हमारे राजस्थान में नारकली का डांस होता है और क्या हमारे राजस्थान का लोकगीत होता है?
Kat means wood and Putli means doll with no life. Katputli is an ancient form of puppet dance that was started by the Bhat tribal community of Rajasthan several thousands of years ago. Characterized by brightly colored dolls referred as puppets, a Katputli performance narrates stories from mythology along with the social problems prevailing in the country. The puppets are controlled by puppeteers via strings which are attached to the puppets. The strong voices produced by the puppeteer gives Katputli dance a distinctive flavor. Centerpiece of Rajasthan's holy festival, Chang, is a lively folk dance that also originated from the Shekhawati region. Also called as Dhamal, the highlighted characteristic of this dance form is the fast-paced rhythmic beats of the Chang instrument, upon which a group of men dance, sing, and carouse. Another notable feature is that some men dress up like women, donning traditional attire and performing ghumar, which certainly captives the eyes of those who watch. I certainly would recommend this dance. I personally don't like animals being used in such a way. There is no harm to include animals in a society, but not in this manner. Now it's for me and my mom to join them. Who will refuse such invitation to dance to such beautiful music? Now I'm tired. Hope you like this episode of this wonderful culture of Rajasthan. Please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to watch my next episode, in which I will tell you about the mighty kings and their forts of Jaisalmer.